Hello viewers, how is you all? I hope your peoples are pretty fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always be keep smile. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in this video most beautiful and stylish. You will see in this videos 40 plus unique, modern, attractive girls nail art ideas. Very attractive and very stylish. You will see in this videos 40 plus unique girls nail art, nail polish and modern girls nail cutting designs. So dear viewers, I have uploaded summer season's nail art, winter season's nail art, negative space nail art, minimal statement nail art, manicure nail art ideas. So viewers, you will see very modern and very stylish different girls nail cutting designs. So lovely viewers, please visit my YouTube channel. Check the all videos, check the playlist videos and get amazing ideas of modern stylish nail polish designs. So lovely viewers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoy new attractive girls nail cutting designs. So there's a huge variety of designs in this video, so this video is very helpful for you and very useful for you. Marvelous and stylish, you will see new attractive girls nail polish designs. Dear viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. Do you have new ideas of new attractive girls nail polish designs? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how was my videos. So I always try to bring unique, beautiful girls nail polish designs. So these are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos. Latest and stylish, you will see unique and attractive girls nail art ideas. Very stylish and very attractive 40 plus unique girls nail polish designs. So lovely viewers, I will meet you in next videos. So take care friends. Allah Hafiz.